So, good morning. Today we are going to talk about sets in Python. Now, what is a set? A set is a collection of unordered items. If you remember, you might have studied sets in your high school. So, what set is? It is a collection of unordered items, and each element in a set must be unique. So, he's talking about the elements within the set must be unique and immutable. You cannot change this element, right? You cannot change the elements, but you can add it. So in other words, set is mutable, but each element in the set is immutable, right? And how we declare set? Simply by using this bracket and putting any type of a data type. You can have integer, you can have string, you can have tuple also, right? So this is how set is created. Now let's see the practical implementation of set, how set works. So basically, you have this ID LE, right? And therein you have file option where you put new. Now let's create set. Now with this bracket, I created set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So that's a collection of set. Now let's print. And also printing the type so that we know what it is. So type equals to collection. Right? So we have created a set, and this is a set, and let's see what it will print. It is asking us to save, okay. Right? Is it? Yes. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the class is set. Now there are few things. If I have duplicate values of a numbers, what it will do, right? It will print only the single value. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will not print the duplicate value. That you need to understand. Okay. Now next, let's talk about, can I add string? Yes, I can add string. Department, right? Let's see. Can I add string? Yes, I can add string, integer, float, character, anything in a set, right? If you remember, in dictionary, we have key and we have value. But in set, we only have a value. And the value can be unordered. Can you see department? I have written department at the end, but it is reflecting me at the top. That's what I mean, unordered. Okay. So any order, it will not be in any order that you will write. Now, we talked about collection. Let's see what we studied. We also studied about tuples, right? So let's add tuple. All right. Can I add tuple in a set? Yes, you can add tuple in a set. Let's see. Is it printing? Yes. A set can have tuple within itself. All right. Now, what else we study? We studied about list also. Let's see. Can we add list in a set? No, we cannot add any list within the set. These are the few things that you need to remember. If you add a list, it will throw an error. See, typing error, cannot use a list as a set of an element. All right, moving on. So we have this, right? Now let's talk about some functions in a set. So there are some functions. I can add any element. If I want to add, okay, let's add department name, roll number. I can add it, right? Let's add. And let's add, and after that, print your collection. Oh, it's saying list is already added. So first I have to delete list, right? Only then I can add, right? Now I can add because now it's a set. See, can I add? Yes, I can add a roll number as well. And it is unordered. It doesn't have any order, right? So set is something, elements are not in an ordered form, and elements in the set are immutable. But we can add some values within the set. I can remove it as well. Let's say there are function called remove, right? So let's remove it. Let's remove the roll number and see how is it printing. Must have collection dot remove roll number. Okay, let's see. Do we have roll number? First, I have to add it, right? And then I can remove it. Collection dot remove. He's saying you don't have roll number and you're removing it. So that's a simple logic. Let's remove it. But before that, let's print in between, before and after. This, I'm adding roll number and I'm removing roll number. So it will print two collections. First with roll number, second without roll number. Right? So let's see. Can you see? First I have roll number and then I have removed that roll number. So yes, this is very simple. So that's how set works. And I think you understood the basic logic of set. It, it's used in a vast quantity in data analyst. If you are preparing yourself for data analyst role, it is it has a very huge impact on that. So please understand the basic concepts of sets. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.